business. You've been voted #1 at everything. No matter what you do, you seem to be #1. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I would never say in your case that you're fired because you're doing too well. So I'll just say you're hired. You're spectacular. You have a long way to go. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you for your commitment and continued commitment. And I wish you the happiest of birthdays. I really do, pal. Thank you. Thanks for being my friend.
Hi, everybody. I'm sorry I can't be with you to celebrate. Happy birthday. As a fighter, you were something spectacular. You shocked the world, and you inspired it too. And even after all the titles and legendary bouts, you're still doing it. For decades, your heroic fight against Parkinson's has given strength to so many people. Now, it's helped that you've had some incredible folks in your corner. And that's why we're also celebrating the men and women of the Cleveland Clinic. The work you are doing is critical, and your country needs you. So to a great cause and the greatest of all time, we say thanks. Keep up the wonderful work.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And thanks for being a fan.
Hello, this is Lady Gaga. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I miss you. Happy birthday to you. Almost there. I'll leave my lipstick here on this glass for you.
Happy birthday from your #1 barb, Nicki Minaj. Kisses and hugs.
All right, this very special birthday message. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for being a fan. Not only are you a fan of mine, thank you, by the way. I feel so honored that you're a fan. But apparently you're like this huge fan, like a massive fan, so massive. Thank you for being an inspiration to everybody, myself included. Happy birthday. What a beautiful birthday it is. What a beautiful, amazing, and inspiring life you have lived. And not only that, but according to the cardboard cutout, you have amazing taste. Thank you. Mwah.
Much happy late birthday, and I love you, I love you, I love you.
Surprise! Happy birthday! Go, 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 go. It's your birthday. We gon' party 'cause it's your birthday. Got lots of presents just for your birthday. And this is for you. I wish you many, many more birthdays, more wishes, and lots more gifts. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
This is an extremely important day.
Have a good birthday!
Happy birthday! This is Liam, I'm Harry, I'm Dave, I'm Niall, and I'm Louis, and we are One Direction. Wishing you a happy birthday, hope you have a great day.
I know it's your birthday, and I can't be with you to hug you, so I'm gonna sing a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I already miss you. Happy birthday.
Hello, my friend. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come in your life. Keep up the good work. I know you love your people and you serve honestly. We support you and we love you. Dito lang kami para suportahan ka sa maganda mong adhikain para sa bayan, tulungan yung mga tao. Salamat. Thank you and God bless.
Babati ako. Happy birthday at maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong na binibigay nyo sa amin. At sana hindi ka magsawa sa inyong mga ginagawa. In the meantime, kahit nasa gitna ng pandemic, konting selebrasyon sa iyong kaarawan.
Happy birthday! Maraming salamat sa suporta mo. Hindi lang para sa akin, pero para sa lahat ng ginagawa namin dito sa OVP. Ito man ang pangalawang birthday mo ngayong pandemic, sigurado akong masaya at punong-puno ng pagmamahal ang araw na ito. As friends and family, shower you with love. Dasal ko na lagi kayo nasa mabuting kalagayan and that you have many more happy birthdays in the years ahead. Mag-iingat kayo lagi. Happy birthday ulit.
On behalf of the people of Manila, happy birthday po. Ngayon, kaarawan ninyo, nasa krisis tayo. Ang tanging mabibigay na lang namin sa inyo ay maisama namin kayo sa dasal na sana ay bigyan kayo ng Diyos ng malusog na pangangatawan at kakayanan at katatagan sa kinakaharap ng ating bansa. Happy birthday. We wish you all the best. And thank you for being there.
Happy birthday po sa inyo. God bless you more this year at maraming salamat po sa tulong na binibigay niyo po sa lungsod ng Pasig.
Ay, ko birthday mo raw. enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
All the best and have an awesome day. May you be mature with all the trials that you have in your life. Talaga tayo, diba? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
I hope you're having fun on your special day and I hope all your wishes can come true in the next new year. Happy birthday.
Sobrang solid ka. Masasabi lang happy birthday, God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo. And sana may time ko, may party, invite mo muna ako. Bahain ka. Happy birthday, God bless. Stay sweet, stay fun.
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday. This is Christian. I hope you're having a great day. Have a wonderful year. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. God bless you. I love you. Be happy. It's your special day. Have a blast.
Hi, sir. Masyadong magpapagod and stay guwapo.
Happy birthday. I hope that you have an amazing year ahead. And I wish for you more blessings, more happiness. You are loved by so.
Person, not just a happy birthday, but I also wish that person a great year to come. Only because, for me, a birthday should be not just a day that you celebrate, but a time that you celebrate the year that was, and then you usher in the year that's about to happen. My prayer for you this time, Joey, is that, well, first of all, that name of yours, that says a lot. Sana that's what envelopes you, that crowns you. It's going to be another year. It's going to have its ups and downs, good times and not so bad times. But let me tell you, it is found, I think, in the book of Romans. No, I'm sure in the book of Romans where it says that in all things God works for the good of those who are called according to His purpose. So, I am sure that whatever happens to you, even if it sometimes hurts or sometimes just doesn't feel right, know that God's word is above everything else and it works only for your good. So God bless you on your birthday.
Happy birthday! Ang prayer ko ay sana'y mas maging malusog, maging masaya, at mas maging maunlad ang inyong negosyo. You're one of the kindest people I've known in this world. Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and I've been a recipient of your generosity and kindness, and life has changed dahil sa napakagandang mga sapatos na aking sinusuot sa iba't ibang mga palabas na ginagawa ko dito sa ABS-CBN. Once again, mula po sa aking puso, isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po. Sana medyo nyo po yung special na kaarawan nyo.
I love you!
Happy birthday! Enjoy ka sa iyong kaarawan. God bless you!
Happy birthday po sa inyo. I wish you all the best. May God bless you and enjoy your birthday. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Ako po
po ay taus-pusong babati sa isa pong espesyal na fan. Binabati ko po kayo ng happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Ang aking pagbati ay galing doon sa taas. Na sana po mag-bless pa kayo ng napakaraming birthdays.
Happy birthday, Tito Dandan! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Dan! Tani ko na madugangan pa isa.
And more blessing pa nga mabaton mo para madamo ang aton mapakaon sa mapait nun.
Halong dad for me.
Happy birthday, Dandan and Nelda.
Birthday! Daga! Daddy!
Long legs.
Happy birthday, love. I wish you are good health always. Be safe. And na kami di ko pati permit sa suko mo pag-request. Happy birthday.
Hi! Happy birthday, Pari Dandan! God bless you always. Kabay pangatagan ka pa ni Lord sa malawig nga kabuhi para nga damo pa nga tao ang imo mabuligan. Halong lang that for me. Love you, Mama.
And happy birthday! Wish you all the best sa birthday mong ito. Hope na wag kang magbago, no? So, thank you so much for friendship and thank you so much sa mga concern, sa mga tawag nito, sa mga laygay or tinatawag nilang advice. So, maraming salamat at dahil naging kaibigan kita, wish you all the best at yun lang, no more dramas, hindi tayo artista, and happy birthday once again. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hello, Dan. Today is your birthday. Wishing you all the best and good health always. Thank you for sharing the blessings that you receive from God. Thank you for being a good person and bless always. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. First, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tito Dandan. Happy birthday, Cas. Wish you all the best. Padayon na ang imong pag-share sa kapwa. Kay dako gina nga blessing, no? Dako gina nga blessing mahatag sa imo sang Ginoo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye kun high five. I love you, Tito Dandan. Say, mwah! Mwah! Mwah!
I wish you the best. Happy birthday to you. I love you to all. May you have long life for your family and your grandchildren too. Wish you the best.
Thank you so much. Then, may the Lord bless you. More birthdays to come.
Good morning. Well, I just woke up here. I want to greet my amazing cousin. A happy birthday. Well, be safe as always and enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
my warmest birthday greetings. Let this be a new chapter of your life, bring you greater inspiration to move forward with wisdom and strength. I wish you more blessings, good health, and happiness. Again, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka.
Happy birthday. This day is very important for us. My brother, every day is just a beginning of the life and time for real fun. I wish you happiness and health. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to